In terms of appearance, Odyssey, a classic Japanese MPV model, presents an overall majestic and serene appearance. The front adopts a larger hexagonal air intake grille, the inner blacked-out rear panel and horizontal chrome-plated strips, a sense of layering. The headlights on both sides are integrated with the grille. The interior light strips have been replaced with the family's latest style. The corner daytime running lights on both sides add some sci-fi atmosphere, and the front bezel is a crossover-style strip. The grille air intake design is equipped with C-shaped profiles on both sides. It is also equipped with a fog lamp design, and the protruding front lip is also a bit sharp. Odyssey adopts a relatively short front structure and leaves the entire seating area inside the car. Therefore, the entire side of the car looks leaner and slimmer. The window line uses a dual material combination of black and chrome trim strips. The area has a relatively sharp corner shape, and the waist mostly adopts gradual straight lines, outlining the profile features with rich light and shadow effects. At the same time, the wavy concave and convex combination makes the muscles feel fuller. The rear of the Odyssey maintains a square and solid design as a whole. There is a simple convex spoiler above the rear window, and the window line below has a graceful smiling curve. The general lines of the taillights are more three-dimensional and painted black. The middle of the lamp cluster is equipped with a transitional type chrome plating strip. At the same time, the lamp strip presents a layered shape design. The rear perimeter is slightly convex and curved. Horizontal lines are outlined to emphasize layering. The two sides of the lower area use chrome-plated strips to outline the exhaust structure, and the interior is equipped with a wide and flat-width instrument strip design. The hidden exhaust also maintains a simple appearance. Entering the Odyssey, the overall layout of the cockpit is primarily practical. The use of straight lines ensures a relatively neat division of functional areas. The bench is covered in wood grain veneer and soft material fabrics. The 10.1-inch central control screen is equipped with the Honda Connect smart connectivity system. Although the screen of the UI interface is not as cool as that of mainstream new power brands, the simple modular functional compartments can still provide an intuitive operating experience, and the functional configuration in the system is relatively well equipped, including GPS, multimedia, car life, Internet of Vehicles and 4G network. In terms of smart driving, the addition of the Honda sensing system also provides the vehicle with auxiliary functions at the L2 level. Odyssey has a body size of 4861 by 1820 by 1712, 1705 mm and a wheelbase of 2,900 mm. It is divided into two configurations, 7-seat version and 4-seat special version. The 7-seat model is more suitable, home use, and the front and rear adjustment range of the middle row seats is relatively wide. The seats are covered with fabric or real leather plus faux leather fabric, and have a relatively comfortable overall shape. The 4-seater model is equipped with only 2 seats in the back. Not only is the overall fabric padding more comfortable, but also independent aviation seats are used in the seat shape, so that the level of comfort can be imagined. In terms of power, all Odyssey series are equipped with a 2.0L gasoline-electric hybrid. The 2.0L self-priming engine has a power of 107 kilowatts, 146 PS, and a torque of 175 Nm. The engine part uses a front-mounted engine. 135 kilowatts, 184 PS, single engine. The total torque is 315 Nm and the combination of the two units can produce a comprehensive power of 158 kilowatts. The entire vehicle is mated to a smooth, precise and linear ECVT transmission. Power output performance with the blessing of gasoline-electric hybrid power, the comprehensive fuel consumption of the entire vehicle is only 5.88 L/100 km or 6.17 L/100 km, providing sufficient economy. The vehicle still has a lithium-ion battery pack, and although its capacity is relatively small, it can provide sufficient power support to the engine during the starting phase. In the suspension part, Odyssey adopts a comfort-oriented setting that can better filter out the bumps on potholes and gravel roads. At the same time, the flexible support prevents the wheels from hitting unnecessary. It can also reduce the rolling of the vehicle by combining at high speed when cornering or bending and provide people with a balanced driving stance.